Namaste.
Namaste. How are you?
Thank you for being here. My name is Emanuele Franz. I'm from Italy, in Europe. I was here for meet you and thank you for this meeting.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Because in Italy I'm working about a conference, international conference, and the thematic is fight and science. And I asked the opinion from a lot of people from science and the religion. But for me it's very important to have your opinion from the Oriental vision of the world. For this I taken a long travel, and today I'm very happy to be in Katmandu in Nepal with you in Parping Children's Home Temple. And now I ask you a little about your name, your story, where are you from, your study, religions, if you want.
Yes. My name is Yogi Urgyen Norbu. I was born in South India in the Tibetan family, and so my education, I didn't go to normal school. I go to Buddhist monastery school. So then I was there until late 20s in the monastery, early 20s, and then after that, then came to search my what do you call internal, my personal seeking for spiritual meaning. What is exactly like what you are talking about, the faith and all that faith. What is the, what do you call, answer I have within the spiritual field. So I came to Nepal and met my teacher. So I studied under him in the tradition of yogi tradition. In the youth time, I studied as a monk. You know.
See, it's a long road for you, whole life. For you gave yourself to spirituality.
Yeah, spirituality.
It's very important, and thank you again for being here with us. The question, millenary question, is between rationality and faith. Is possible harmonize? There are a unity or a division?
Yes. There is few categories you can say. There is a rationality within the faith and the science. You know, the faith can be also rational, and then science also can be rational.
Understand?
Yes. So the rationality part, both faith also can have the rationality within the faith. Also the science can have the rationality, but other way is faith also, certain faith can be absent of rationality. You know,
So,
and then also
there are no conflict.
No conflict.
And everything have a little part of other,
Yeah.
the opposite thing.
Yes.
You told me.
Yeah. What I'm saying is rationality. I'm not very clear about the rationality. I understand the rationality has some truth in it. The truth, you know, like rationality is something like I understood, like a truth, you know.
The truth.
Yeah, truth, which means rational. Rational means like that.
But there are questions or truths that the mind can't understand.
Yes. This is the mind is so-called mind is the we understood in the Buddhism field. The mind is a conceptual mind. Conceptual mind. When the conceptual mind cannot go beyond what is in the table, what is in the laboratory, and can always a very limited thing, you know. So in order to go beyond, you have to be free from the mind. So which means you have to be free from the conceptual mind.
Another question is this. If there are universal truths, why in the world the people are in conflict, also religion conflict?
Yes.
Why the truth is not in the same language in all people? Why there are the division of truth?
Yes. The think about the truth is truth. Whoever thinks he or she is the truth, you know,
Yes.
that to he and herself, according to her, is the truth, you know.
Understand?
So you cannot, you know, make a what do you call even mention about the universal truth. Then if you say about that, then it's naturally become conflict because people cannot understand that truth. You know.
So is every people think about himself.
Yeah.
Be correct.
Yeah, be correct. That is truth for them.
And this truth. No?
Yeah, this is truth for each individual from their point of view.
Yes.
For them, it's truth.
Understand.
You know, like that.
It's very very deep question. This, no? It's
Yes.
not simple.
Because truth is what is truth? Is the pure perception. Is the truth. So, for example, the level of the truth. There is a lot of a level of truth. You know, if I see an apple so nice, then the other person sees, oh, this apple not so nice. So which one is truth? The one who sees the nice apple is the truth.
Understand. I saw maybe a difference from people from Europe or America and people here in Oriental people,
Yes.
because I'm from Europe. I
Yes.
see in Europe the people, I have often one thing in mind: make more money.
Yes.
This is not so nice.
Not enough.
Not
Not enough. Not satisfied with what you have. Like that.
Why it is different from the two parts of world? What do you think about one world and the opposite world?
So
Or maybe, sorry, can one people, Europe, become in Oriental mind, or is impossible?
the main thing is the principle. The principle, which means to help your father and mother, love your brother, sister, and love your neighbor, love your country, and then love universe. You have love the world, to give love, the principle. In Tibetan tradition, we say motherly sentient beings. So which means all sentient beings has been our mother one point of time. So we treat them and try to view them like that. You know?
Yeah.
So this is the path, you know. If you take that path, then the outcome doesn't have to be exactly the same. Don't have to be like an Oriental. Don't have to be like a Westerner.
Yes.
Don't have to eat burger. You know. So this part is not important. The potential,
the simple universal principle.
Yes, compassionate.
Yes.
So this can be trained, like a training in the school from the young age. You know, like not to kill any animal.
Yes.
And not to beat other, and you know, like this can be trained. So it is good to train when you are a younger time.
Yes.
To be nice to others and be kind to others and be loving to others. If you have a pie, give more towards the other and take what you only need.
I am very happy for what you had gave me.
Thank you.
Really, thank you with all my heart.
Thank you. Thank you very much.